Welcome to Natford University Kumasi Campus online exams tutorials. This is just to help you familiarize yourself with our new online exams environment. So we advise that you use either Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or Opera. These are the basic browsers you use, and we advise students to use only their computers and not their smartphones because of some of the security features in the software. So you open your browser and you go to exam.net in your web browser and you hit enter to load the page. When you come to the page, you are a student, so exams key will be sent to you by your examiner or the invigilators. It will be sent to you, so you enter the key. So per this demonstration, I am entering this key to help you understand the environment. So you enter your key and you are asked to enter your details. So maybe first name Yao, last name Menu, and mobile phone number 0244 000 Then your student number KUSK 001/021, assuming this is your index number. So when you are done, you fetch for exams. Now, if it is not yet time for the paper and you try to fetch for the exams, this is going to be the message that you are going to have on the screen waiting for the exams. So students are advised to wait till they have been asked to go online before they start they enter their exams key. So don't enter the exams key unless you have been asked to start or you have been communicated to you the exact time you will start the exams. So as soon as the lecturer starts the exams, this is what will come on your screen. The exam is ready. So you start with begin exams. So the moment you go begin exams, this is just a simple question or sample question that we are using to test. Now I want to show you around the environment. Assuming you are doing maths and you need a formula, if the lecturer allows you to use a formula sheet, we have a formula sheet available which contains all the formulas that you will need, and basically the ones the lecturer will ask us to load on the platform. So these are basic formula for different mathematical models. Then those of you will be doing programming too, we have some programming language, Python, we have other, we can put a lot of them here for you to test your hand, the environment where you can type. Then if you need a calculator, we can put in this calculator for you. Then also we have the algebra, that's also some of the formula for geo whatever. Then we have the drawing tools. We have the drawing tool, so in case some of the questions demand that you draw, okay, you can use this tools to draw whatever that you have been asked to draw. So This is just a demonstration of how you can use some of the tools in the software. Okay, but most importantly, you can also chat with the lecturer. Okay, the whoever is invigilating the paper. If you have any problem, you can send a message that I need help here, and the person will communicate back to you, and whatever help you need, the person will now get back to you and give you the needed help that you requested for. Okay, so most importantly, you'll be using the show exams area. So assuming this is a multiple choice question, and if I'm answering this, I can answer it this way. One, if the answer, I tennis every Sunday morning, so obviously the answer is play. I play tennis, so answer being B, I put in B, though it has not been listed A, B, C, but the second one, let's assume is B. Then 2, if assuming the answer for B is don't make so much noise, Noriko to study for her EL exams is trying to. So assuming the answer is D, okay, I go to the third one, and on and on and on. You answer for the rest of the exams. So that is basically it. Assuming it's a written paper where you need to type, you can decide, you can just type your answer here, and that is it. So you can decide to type your answer and be free. So anytime you try to go outside the page or click or minimize or do anything, you'll be locked out, just like you can see on the screen. So for you to get back to the system, you need to provide the reason why you were logged out. Probably your screen went off, or you tried minimizing it, or you did something that the system deemed it as examination malpractice and logged you out. So provide whatever reason why you were logged out. So probably my internet went off. If the later deems it fit that there is a good reason enough, you request for unlock, and the later will unlock your system, and you will get back to the system and do whatever you have to do, or continue with your exams. Then also we have another portion where we talk about the scan solution. Some of you might not be able to type your answers, so you can go to scan solution, whereby you write your answer on a foolscap sheet, okay, and when you are done, we'll give you a QR code software on your phone. Install the QR code, scan this code solution on your phone. You install this QR code software. So you open your QR code, and whilst you open it, you come to your screen and you come to scan solution. Scan solution. So you go to scan solution, then you are given a QR code, and you point your camera, the camera towards the QR code, and this is what you have on your phone. So you go to open website, then you open it with any of your browsers on your phone. It will load to this page, and you have here scan solution. So I click on scan solution, then I select my camera. Then this is the solution that I want to upload to the platform. So I'll hold my camera in position. And take a picture of it. When I'm done, I click OK. Then you see you are asked to upload, so I click upload. And immediately I click upload, you will see save image. Then at the same time on your phone, a code is generated. This one is 215. So I come to my computer and I enter 215. As soon as I enter 215, the solution will appear on the screen and I click OK. So when I go to show exam, I will now have the solution available on the page. And when I go to show exams, whatever I've typed up there will be there. Then also whatever I uploaded will also be there. So that is how the whole process works. So if you have more than one page, you need to upload all the pages. Assuming I uploaded this page and I realized that there is a mistake and I need to do it again, all you need to do is just click on the image and click on remove here to remove the video file, the picture file you just uploaded. Then you now upload the right one onto the page. So whilst you are done with uploading your file or typing or whatever, you just go to submit exams. And don't forget that whatever you are doing, you are working with time. There's time limit for every exam, so you make sure you look for the appropriate time that has been assigned to your paper and go along with the time. So when you are done, you click on submit and it will ask you, are you sure that you want to finish and submit the exams? And don't forget that when you submit, you can go back to the work again. So I now submit the exams, and as soon as you submit, your index number, your name, and thank you to tell you thank you for your submission, you can now close your page or the tab, and that is that.